Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and let me tell you about these button replacements from Toovren. Now, these might seem really weird, but they are amazing and they change the way you wear your pants. I bought these specifically to help with the waistband of my jeans. Sometimes you buy your jeans and they're just a little too big. Guess what? You can fix that without having to buy a new pair of jeans or even to have to wear a belt. Buttons are super simple to use. The back of it, you just pull it and it pops off, and then you have a little tiny needle, and that needle goes into the pants, and then on the back of it you close the button again and it snaps closed. It works best, of course, as replacing the actual button. But if you're doing the waistband trick, it's best if you're just making small adjustments to it. So just making that little bit of adjustment changes so much. What I love about these replacement buttons is that they give you 8 of them and they give you different colors. Some of them have the words jeans spelled out on them, and some of them are just plain. I love that it gives you different variations depending on the type of jeans. If you have black jeans or very light muted jeans, you might want a different type of button on it. So I like having those different options. If you want to try the cool waistband trick, you don't need any sewing kit, you don't need any tools. All you need is this little button and it creates magic. It's super awesome to see the effects of it, and they're really simple to use. You have to try them out and you're gonna love them. No more belts, no sewing, no nothing. They're great, and that's my point of view.